Create a Barbie look. Get ready like a Barbie. Select a pink outfit. Any Barbie outfit you can choose which you like the most. Do eye makeup. Apply pink eyeshadow. Apply wing liner. Apply mascara. Apply pink lipstick. Do a Barbie hairstyle. Do the Barbie hairstyle which suits you. Use hair accessories. Enhance your look by wearing Barbie shoes. Carry a little purse with pinkish or shimmer touch. Get your nails done. Use pink color nail paint. Wear jewelry with a touch of white pearls. Wear sunglasses. Wear a sweet smell of perfume. Smell like a Barbie. Slay your Barbie look.